In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and send a Firebase Cloud messaging notification campaign from the Firebase console. First, head to the Firebase console and open the project you want to work with. From the left-hand menu, navigate to Engage, then choose Messaging. This is where you manage all your push notifications. Make sure you're in the correct project and that your app is already connected to Firebase so the message can reach your users. Next, start a new campaign. If this is your first time, you'll see an option that says Create your first campaign. Otherwise, click New Campaign and select Notifications. The Notifications option is designed for push messages, and it provides a straightforward workflow for composing, targeting, and sending. Now, enter the content for your message. Add a clear, concise title that tells users what to expect, followed by the body text. Keep it brief and action-oriented so it's easy to read on mobile and web. If you want to include an image, paste a direct URL to the image file. Make sure the link is publicly accessible and reliable, since the image needs to load on user devices. Remember that different platforms may display images slightly differently, so prioritize a graphic that looks good at small sizes. After the content, choose who should receive the notification. Select the target platform or platforms, Android, iOS, web, based on where your users are. For the audience, you can target predefined segments, such as all users of a specific app, or narrow it down using conditions you've set up in Firebase. If you need to reach specific devices, you can target by device tokens. Tokens uniquely identify a device for push delivery, so only include tokens you intend to message and handle them securely. When your audience is set, decide when to send. You can send the notification immediately for time-sensitive updates or schedule it for later. If you schedule, double-check the date, time, and time zone so it arrives when it's most relevant to your users. Consider your users' likely local times to avoid sending during off hours. Finally, review and publish. The console will show a summary of your content, audience, platforms, and schedule. This is the moment to catch typos, verify links, and ensure the targeting is exactly what you intend. When everything looks good, confirm and send the notification. That's it. Your campaign is on its way to your users.